Hi, hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to my class. Today in this class, we are going to start your new lesson of maths, that is tangrams and designs. So open page number 115. Page number 115, chapter number 17, tangrams and designs. So children, first let us know what is the meaning of this tangrams. Yes, so a tangram is a problematic puzzle, and you already learned this tangrams in the third standard. Yes, do you remember? So what is this tangram? Tangram is a problematic puzzle. Okay, so shapes create interest among human beings since ancient period. So Chinese riddles shapes have become more popular. So these shapes are called tangrams. Okay, so to prepare the shape of animals, birds, human beings and different objects by using piece of tangrams. By using piece of tangrams which needs intelligence, that needs a intelligence and imagination and brings out hidden talent and also enhance the creativity. Okay, so to prepare these tangrams you must have a intelligence. Okay, it means to prepare a tangrams it needs intelligence and imagination. Okay, so it will enhance, it will increase your creativity. Okay, so this is called the tangrams. So children, here as you already learned this how to draw the tangrams using the five pieces in third standard. If you want, you have you can get the link in my description box. You can go through that. Okay, so there you will get the 5 pieces of tangrams. So here you are having a 7 pieces of tangrams. Same method you have to follow, but here you have 7 pieces, whereas in the third stand you are having 5 pieces. The method is similar. Okay, so children, what is this? Yes, you know it. Yes, this is a graph sheet. This is called graph paper. Okay, so here you need one graph paper. Then cut this in the form of a squares having the 36 squares in it. Okay, like this you have to cut. See, this is one box and here it is one box, 2 3 4 5 6. So till here, then from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 till here. Okay, you have to cut in this shape. You will get this kind of shape. Is it visible to you? Yes, you will get this kind of shape. You can see it is having a 36 boxes, squares. So you have to take this one and paste it in your fair book, in your notes. Then children, take another kind of such kind of same sheet. You just cut out same kind of this thing sheet which is having a 36 square like this. Then make it in this way. Okay, by taking your scale, just make a line from here to here, then from here to here, then from here to here, and here, and one line is here, and here you will get the 7 different pieces. Here it may include triangles and rectangle, square. Okay, it depends on you. So here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is called the 7 pieces tangrams, which is having 7 pieces. Okay, after taking this one, you just paste the same thing in your notes. Okay, again you need to take the same sheet which is having 36 squares, then make a mark like this by using your scale and pencil. Then by taking a scissor with the help of your parents or elder, just cut out all these pieces separately. Okay, here I will show you. So after cutting this paper, you will get the such kind of shapes. Here you can see this is 1, here it is 2, here it is 2, then 3, where is 3? Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this pieces you will get. Okay, this is the what it is. Yes, this is tangram using 7 pieces. So this is called 7 pieces tangram. So by using these pieces, you can make a varieties of animals, birds, human beings. So any object you can create by using such kind of tangram pieces. Okay, so this is called tangram. Here I will show you. So children, come to the page number 116. Here are the pieces that I have told you and I have shown you. Yes, so here is an activity for you. Form different shapes using the 7 tangram pieces as shown below. Here we are having 7 tangram pieces. If you can give a name, you will get the 7 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is called the 7 pieces of tangram. Okay, so in this way you have to do it. Here I will show you. One I have done for you. I just left the space here to make you understand that how I have attached it. Okay, so this is first, second, third, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here you can see this is a 7 pieces tangram. Yes or no? So in the same way, if you are having color paper, use it. If you are not having, you can use any of the simple paper and try to make a such kind of tangram. Okay, and paste it in your notes. Okay children, so in this way, here now later I will show you. Now children, come to the exercise part 17.1. Draw the shapes as indicated in the figure using tangram pieces. So by using the tangram pieces, you have to draw the shapes. So by following the instruction, first one is use only triangles. You know what is triangle? This is a triangle, isn't it? So here by using only a triangles, you have to draw shape here. Okay, so here by taking a scale, here you see the instruction, only you need to draw triangles. You are not supposed to draw square and all. You need to draw only triangles here. So I will put a line here. So this is our first triangle. In this way, here you can see another one, and here you can see this one. Here we are having, here we got some of the triangles. Yes, so here use only 2 triangles. So here we have to use only 2 triangles. So what we can do? Yes, we can put a line like this. If you put the line, just draw it children. Take your textbook and do it. Yes, have you done? So see here. By taking your scale, if you put the line like this, you'll get 2 triangles. 1, 2. See here, 2 triangles. Yes, so in the same way, use only triangles and parallelograms. Parallelogram means it is a kind of geometrical shape. Here I will show you. This is called the parallelogram. Okay, so the opposite side should be equal. It is having a four-sided. It is a four-sided shape, which is it is a four-sided shape which having the 2 opposite sides should be equal. See here, this one will be equal and this one equal, and this is equal and this is equal. So this is called the parallelogram. Okay, so here by using a triangle and parallelogram, you can draw a shape here. Okay, so here I will show you like this. One triangle you got, only triangles and parallelograms. Here another triangle you got, then here you can see you got the parallelogram, and here you got one more parallelogram, and here you got one triangle and parallelogram, isn't it? Yes, in this way here use only triangles and square. Already they have done here. They have used the square and they have used the triangles here. Yes, so this is the how to draw the shapes. Okay, by using the tangram pieces. Now come to the second main. Do the following shapes using 7-piece tangram pieces. So children, you have to prepare such kind of shapes by using the 7-piece tangram. Okay, so this is the 7 pieces tangram. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so here we got some of the different types of shapes here. Here it is. It's looking like a frog. Yes, it's looking like some bird. So this is called the tangrams. Okay, so in your notes, try to do minimum 3 or 4 tangrams. Here it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's move to the another topic of this lesson, designs. Okay, so children, in the third stand already you have learned how to design the patterns using the shapes like triangles or rectangles, squares. Yes or no? So here you just try to identify the name of the shape used in this designs. First one, yes, which shape has used here? Here, yes, it's a 2 shapes have used. One is square, another is rectangles. Next here in this pattern, triangle, another is rectangle. In the same way here, squares are used here. Here rectangle. Yes or no? Yes. Now turn the page. Observe the patterns of the designs. Here is a one design. Yes children, can you see this design? Can you see this pattern? Observe the pattern of designs. This is one kind of designs. Yes. So the geometrical shape used in this pattern of design is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means, so this is one triangle. Equilateral triangles means if all the sides, these are the sides. Yes, you know that. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, then it is called an equilateral triangle. For example, if it is 2 centimeter, it should be also 2 centimeter. This also should be 2 centimeter. This is called equilateral triangle. Okay. If what is this children? Yes, this is one kind of triangle. Yes, but here you can see the sides are not equal. So this is not called a equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle. So here you can see this in this pattern. It is, this pattern is drawn by using the equilateral triangles. Here you can see 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Here you will find the many triangles which form a pattern. Yes. Now come to this second and pattern design. So this is a, here you can see that it is a geometrical shape used in this pattern of design is a hexagon. It's called hexagon. Hexagon means a regular hexagons means it is a geometrical shape bounded by 6 equal lines. Okay, 6 equal segments. You can see 1 equal. These should be equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called hexagon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called hexagon. It is a geometrical shape bounded by 6 equal line segments. It is called hexagon. Okay. So more about that you are going to study in your higher classes. Understood children? So these are the some kinds of patterns of designs. Okay. Now children, come to the page number 119, exercise 17.2. Complete the patterns using the line segments by joining the dots in an order. So here you have to complete the patterns by using the line segments by joining the dots. They have given the dots. Okay, you have to complete this pattern. So see here, let us join here. Okay, so already they have done it. We'll try to continue it. That's it. Okay, they have used 3 this one dots. You can see 1 2 3. So here 1 2 3. So like this. Hope I'll get a pattern. Okay, in this way. Here come to the second one. Here you can make it easily. So see here, let's do it. Okay, so see here, just follow me children. Just see how I'm doing here. You can do it like this. Like this. Here I'm getting one pattern. See, I'm just continuing it, isn't it? In this way you can do it. Yes. So here we continued. In the same way children, you just try to do it by yourself. You just need a scale and put a line like this. Then you just draw the triangles here. Okay. So here you will get the triangle like this, like this, like this. Okay, and here also you just continue it, put a line and continue it, continue it, continue it, continue it. You will get the pattern. In the same way you just continue it. See here, you are getting a pattern of triangles, isn't it? Yes. In the same way, just come here, just join all these dots first. Here you can see. Now you can draw triangles like this. Yes. See here how I am doing it children. Can you see it? Yes. So in this way you just do it by yourself. Okay. Now children, come to the page number 120. Complete the pattern by coloring. You have to color here. Okay, by taking your crayons or the color pencils, you can color it in this way. You have to follow this one. For examples, here they are colored. So now I can colored here. Okay, you just need to color here. I'm using a pencil. I'm just shading it. Okay, you have to use a color pencils. Okay children, use a color pencils. Okay, here and here. Next, see the pattern and continue it. Okay, it should be similar because it is a pattern. Yes or no? Like this. In this way, just leave this one, come to this one, leave this one and color this one, leave this one and color this one. Okay, in this way. Again, when you color this one, now you have to color here and here. Then leave this one and color here and here. Leave this one, color here and here. Like this. Okay, now you have to color here and here and leave this one, color here and here. Then here and here, here and here, here and here. Then where you can color here and here. Okay, just continue the same pattern. Okay children? Yes. So children, in this lesson you have learned how to draw simple shapes using tangrams and how to draw different patterns of designs using known shapes like triangles, squares, rectangles, isn't it? Then you came to know how to draw the different patterns of designs using hexagonal and triangular shapes. Yes, so hope you understood all the lesson very well children. Okay.